Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. It's our science class and today we are going to read 11th chapter of our science book. The name of our chapter is Our Solar System. Children, what is our solar system? The sun, moon, planets, satellites. As you can see in this figure, this is a satellite, this is our sun. These are planets, okay? These are stars. So, all these heavenly bodies are called the part of our solar system. They combine to form our solar system. So, children, in this video, we will read about different kinds of stars, planets, satellites. Always in night, when you see at the sky, you are fascinated and you also want to know more and more about the universe, stars, sun. So let's know some interesting facts about them. Stars. Children, what are these stars? Stars are those heavenly bodies, means stars are situated in our universe. They are fixed, means they cannot move from their place and they have their own heat and light. Stars have their own light, means they are luminous. They can shine with their own light. So you can see in this picture, stars are shining. Sometimes you say that stars are twinkling in the sky. In your childhood also, you learnt a famous poem that is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, means stars appears to us twinkling in the night because stars light that comes to us passes through a layer of air. Okay, in our atmosphere there is air, as all you know, and there is a thick layer of air and their light comes through it, so they appear twinkling. Okay, shining and twinkling stars always fascinate us. Sometimes, children, you can see some patterns of stars also. We will know about them also. First, children, our sun. Our sun is also a star. Do you know? Our sun is a star and it is the main center of our solar system. Our sun has huge energy and it seems like a ball of fire. Okay, children, in day we cannot see these stars, only we can see only one star, that is sun. Do you know why? Yes, because stars are very far away from us and sun has so much light and too bright light that other stars do not appear to us. Okay, their light becomes dim and so we can see only sun in daylight. Next, children, as I told you, when you will see in night at the sky, you will see some patterns made from stars like triangle. Like here you can see three stars combine to form a triangle shape. Here they are forming as a shape like home. Okay, so stars combine to form a shape, and group of stars that form a shape or pattern are called constellation. They are called constellation. Okay, so group of stars that form a pattern are called constellation. Children, in night observe the group of stars and what will you say them? They are constellation. Yes, children, now we will know about planets. What are planets? And do you know on which planet do you live? Yes, Earth. So children, planets are the heavenly bodies that have not their own heat and light. Means planets have no heat and not their own light. Then how do they shine? They shine due to the light that they get from sun. Okay? And when they get the light from sun, they reflect it. Okay? What is reflection? Means when I give you something and you give it, you uh, you give it back to me, that is called reflection. So planets also reflect the sunlight, and in this way they show that they have also light. Now children, all planets move around the sun. Here you can see our sun, and all planets move around our sun in a fixed path. Path means in a fixed way. As from a fixed way you come from your home to your school daily, na? You do not change your way. Similarly, there is a fixed way of every planet in which that particular planet moves around the sun, and this type of movement is called revolution. Okay? And how many planets are there in our solar system? There are 8 planets. Okay? There are 8 planets in our solar system: Venus, Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Children, in this picture you can see a little heavenly body. Its name is Pluto. Children, Pluto is now a dwarf planet, so we cannot count it in the list of planets. Okay, so only there are 8 planets in our solar system. Here you can see, children, the different types of planets are moving around our sun. They have different size also. And do you know, Mercury is the smallest planet of our solar system. In this picture you can see, here is the Mercury, and it is the smallest planet of our solar system. Next, Venus. Children, in evening you can see a shining star at the sky, and in morning also. This is not a star. This is the planet named Venus, and so it is called evening and morning star. Next is our Earth, on which all living beings are present. And as you can see, what is the color of our Earth? It is blue due to excess water present on Earth. Okay, so our Earth is also called blue planet. 70%, children, do you know? 70% of our Earth is covered with water. Next is Mars. As you can see, the color of our Mars is red, so it is also called red planet. Next is Jupiter. Do you know, children, Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Okay, and it moves fastest around the sun. Next is Saturn. As you can see, some beautiful rings around the Saturn. These rings are made up of rocks and dust, ice. This is Saturn. Next is Uranus. Children, the color of Uranus is green. Okay, and Uranus is also covered with blue-green gas. So we say that it is a green planet, or its color is green. Next is Neptune. Neptune is farthest means it is situated to the longest distance from the sun. Okay, and the nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. Okay, children, and the farthest planet to the sun is Neptune, and Pluto is not a planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Here are some fun facts about our solar system. As Mercury is the closest to our sun, that I told you. Closest means nearest. Venus is the hottest planet. Okay, and Earth is only planet that sustains life. Means, children, in our solar system there is only one planet on which human being or living being exist, that is Earth. On any other planet no human being or living being live. Mars is also called red planet. Jupiter is also called giant planet. Giant means it is largest planet. Its size is very big. Uranus is also called coldest planet. Okay, coldest means most coldest. And Neptune is called windy planet. Here you can see, children, orbit of planets. Now what is orbit? Orbit means the path, the fixed path of the planets in which they move around our sun. This is our sun, is called orbit of planets. You can see they move in a fixed path and their path is called orbit. Okay. Next, satellite. Children, as you know, all planets move around the sun. In the same way, there are some heavenly bodies that move around the planets, and those bodies who move around the planets are called satellite. They can be differentiated in two kinds: natural satellites and artificial satellite. Natural satellite means they are made by nature, and artificial satellite means they are made by human being for their uses. Children, in this picture you can see the moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of our earth. You can see this satellite with your naked eye in the sky. Okay, so moon is the only one natural satellite of our earth. Means moon moves around our earth, and this type of movement is called revolution. Children, second part of this chapter we will read in next video. Thank you, children. Take care.